Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iPhone no service after iOS update. So if you want to solve this issue, basically what I want you guys to do is to hop on over to your settings application, go on over to your general tab and hop onto your transfer or reset iPhone. I want you to tap on your reset button and then reset your network settings. And once that is done, that's basically going to reset your network settings. I want you to proceed now with performing a hard restart of your iPhone. And to do so, all we need to do is to tap on our volume up buttons once, tap on our volume down buttons once, and then press and hold our power buttons, which is going to be located on the right hand side of your device, until the Apple logo appears. Now once that is done, that's basically going to solve your issue and perform the hard reset. Now I want you to do those steps back to back. So proceed with, again, tapping once, volume up, then volume down, and then pressing and holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. Now if in the case that doesn't solve your issue, what I want you to go ahead and do is try to contact your courier or your network service provider to see if it's the issue that basically the issue is with on their end and not necessarily with your iOS update on your device. So essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.